Okay, let's talk about that device you use every single day, your Android phone. We're gonna go way beyond the basics and uncover some seriously powerful, kind of hidden features that'll make your smartphone feel smarter, faster, and just way easier to use. So let's get right into it. So let me ask you this, is your phone actually smarter than you think it is? Well, the answer is almost for sure, yes. You know, most of us only ever scratch the surface of what our phones can do. But today, we're gonna unlock a bit of its hidden genius together.
And to make this super simple, we've broken these features down into 3 main themes. First up, we're making your phone work for you. Then we're gonna talk about taking back control. And finally, we'll get into unlocking your inner power user. Let's start with that first one.
Right, so our first section is all about making those little everyday things you do on your phone faster and smoother. These are the kinds of features that, honestly, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. First up, one-hand mode. Phones are getting huge, right? And trying to reach the top of the screen with just your thumb can be a real struggle. Well, this awesome feature shrinks the whole display down, bringing everything within easy reach. It's perfect for when you're trying to text while, carrying groceries. And turning it on couldn't be easier. You just pop into your settings, type one-hand mode into the search bar, and flip the switch. Just like that, your giant phone is suddenly easy to handle with one hand. Okay, next, let's talk multitasking. Split screen and floating apps are absolute game changers. I mean, imagine watching a YouTube video while you're replying to a text, or having your navigation open while you check an address. These tools make all of that a reality. So how do you do it? For split screen, you just open your recent apps, tap the apps icon, and you'll see the option. For floating apps, you'll need to enable floating windows in your settings. Then you can pop an app out into its own little movable window. It's real multitasking, right on your phone. All right, I love this one. It's time to upgrade your navigation. A lot of us are still using those 3 little buttons at the bottom of the screen, but when you switch to gesture navigation, you get all that screen real estate back, and you replace those kind of clunky taps with fast, fluid swipes. It just feels so much more modern. And making that switch is super easy. Just head into your settings, look for system navigation, and pick gesture navigation. Trust me, after a few minutes of getting used to it, you'll be flying through your phone. Okay, on to our second theme. Okay, next up, taking back control. This section is all about features that put you in the driver's seat, letting you manage your privacy, save your battery and data, and protect what's maybe most valuable of all, your time. Let's kick things off with privacy. App Lock is such a crucial tool. You know that feeling when you hand your phone to a friend to show them a picture and you're worried they might swipe over to your messages? Yeah, App Lock solves that. You can secure specific apps so nobody gets into them but you. Setting it up is a total breeze. Just go to your security or privacy settings, find App Lock, and then you just pick which apps you want to protect. Add a PIN or your fingerprint and you're done. Simple, but it gives you so much peace of mind. Now let's talk about managing your phone's resources, because they're not infinite. You've got battery optimization, which is smart enough to stop background apps from draining your juice. Then there's Data Saver, which does the same thing for your mobile data plan. And finally, digital well-being. This one helps you manage your own energy by letting you set timers for apps. And this little chart just lays it all out perfectly, doesn't it? Each of these features gives you control over something really important. App Lock is for your privacy, battery optimization, well, that's for your battery life, Data Saver protects your data plan, and digital well-being protects your time and your focus. It's all about making the phone serve you, not the other way around. And for our final section, we're going all in, unlocking your inner power user. These are the tools that take you from just being someone who uses their phone to someone who actually creates with it and makes it more accessible for everyone. First up is the built-in screen recorder. This is one of those incredibly useful tools that's just been hiding in plain sight. You can use it to make a quick how-to video for your parents, record an epic gaming moment, or save something important from a video call. The possibilities are seriously endless. And the best part? It's so easy to get to. You don't need to download some sketchy third-party app. Just swipe down from the top of your screen, find the screen recorder icon in your quick settings, tap it, and boom, you're recording. It really is that simple. And finally, this is maybe my favorite feature of all, live caption. This thing feels like actual magic. It automatically creates real-time captions for any audio playing on your phone. It doesn't matter if it's a social media video, a podcast, whatever. It's amazing if you're in a loud place, and it's an absolutely critical accessibility tool. All you have to do is go into your accessibility settings and flip the switch for live caption. After that, whenever audio starts playing, you'll see this little black box pop up with the words. It's just an incredible piece of tech that makes everything more accessible to everyone.
So, as we wrap things up here, the big takeaway is this. Your phone is just packed with potential you probably didn't even know was there. These 10 features we talked about, they're really just the start. They're all designed to give you more efficiency, more control, and more power. And that brings us to the final thought. Now that you know about these 10 awesome tools, it makes you wonder, right? What else is your phone hiding? So I'd say, go for it. Dive into those settings, explore a bit, and see what other secrets you can find. Thanks so much for joining me.